On today's Body Cam, we're checking out what happens when you refuse to pay your bill.
Police respond to a bar after a woman refused to pay her bill and assaulted staff members before getting in her vehicle.
Traffic 13 tonight.
Hello?
Hi, miss.
Hi.
Is your name Ava?
Yes.
You coming from the bar tonight?
Yes, I am.
Can you stay in your car? I'm out with the subject. Okay, you want to lower your radio for me? So, do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes.
You don't have any guns or anything in your purse, do you?
Guns?
No guns?
No, sir.
Okay. So, where are you coming from tonight?
I just came here from the restaurant.
You were where?
Over here at the restaurant. The restaurant over here.
Okay.
Angry Moon Cafe.
You were in the Angry Moon Cafe?
Yes.
Were you in the cigar bar?
Yes, I was.
You were?
Yes, I was.
Okay.
How many drinks have you had? You in the car with the keys and the ignition.
There were some people that wanted me to leave there because I shouldn't tell you that, but
Matt. It's my partner right here. He's going to stay with you, ma'am. Hey there, man. Let me ask you this question.
Sure.
What do you want us to do here tonight? Do you want her to pay the tab or do you want her trespassed?
That's pretty much it, yeah. Exactly.
Okay. Because dispatch said you were staying away from her.
She did?
She to me seems like she shouldn't even be behind the wheel of the car.
I couldn't agree more. She also did push me and hit me on the way out of the doorway.
Okay, so what would you like to do about that?
Honestly, as long as she's not able to come back here, that's really on us.
Okay.
And for the bill to be paid. I think it's like $55 or something. It's not even.
Her tab's $55?
Yes.
So we'll see if we can get her tab settled and then we'll deal with her on the traffic issue.
Thank you. That would be ideal for me.
Sounds fair enough. $55 tab, no big deal. She got it. She in the big body Benz.
How you doing, ma'am?
hello.
Rough night tonight?
No, not at all.
Oh, okay. All right, these guys want to talk to you.
Hey, listen, all right? You still got a $50 bill in there that you got to pay, all right? Do you have a credit card or cash you can pay for it?
Of course I do.
Well, if you don't, then it's misdemeanor petty theft, and we don't want to do that, okay?
No, of course I do.
right.
I always pay my bills.
Okay. That's the card you want to pay?
Yes.
You want to go do it, or you want to stay here?
Have you guys do it and I'll start my investigation.
Are you okay if I give this to them? Okay, so I'm on body camera. This is your card. Okay,
Yes.
I'm gonna give this to close your
Yes,
tab. I'm gonna bring you
perfect.
back the receipt and your card.
Of course.
In the meantime, talk to my partner, Officer Flinker. You got some questions for you, all right?
Okay.
I'm gonna put the keys to your car
Alright,
on top of here.
That's all complete? Okay, so you were hanging out here at Angry Moon?
Yes, I was meeting my girlfriend over here. She wanted to come up here, and that's why I met her.
Okay. Is this the only place that you went to, or did you go somewhere else before this?
Yes, I did. I walked right over there, but it was too busy, so I walked over here.
You went to Carmine's?
Yes, I did.
Okay, but this was the only place that you were drinking at?
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
What did you have to drink in there?
Chardonnay.
Okay. Hey, see if I can get a receipt. Itemized. Chardonnay, how many of them?
I had 1, 2, and maybe 3 when we got to the. But I had 2 outside.
So you
when
had
I
2
asked,
outside and
yes.
then 2 inside?
No, only 1 inside.
Just 1 inside, so you had
Yes.
3 total?
Yes,
Okay, how do you feel right now? Do you feel all right?
I'm okay. Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being stone cold sober and 10 being drunk, where do you think you're at?
I'm pretty stone cold sober because what you just did me through. I'm pretty stone.
Listen, if you have not seen the video of the drunk judge, okay, please, I beg you to go watch that. Just go on my channel, type in judge, drunk judge, judge. Just type in judge. It's gonna pop up, man. Listen, all these extra questions you hear because of the bill. Now, we can see that you're drunk, but You just built their whole case, man. You talk too much, man. Zip it. Like the judge did. She wasn't saying nothing.
Called sober, yes.
I didn't do anything. I didn't put you through anything.
No, but what is
the other officers?
here?
So there was a disturbance here. They called in, said you were trying to skip out on your tab, that you pushed somebody, and that you stormed out, and they were worried that you were intoxicated, okay? So my concern is, I'm a DUI officer. Those other officers, they handled all that initial complaint. I'm here because they witnessed you behind the wheel as you are right now. And in the state of Florida, this is called actual physical control, where you have the ability to drive the vehicle, okay? And we also believe as officers that you're also intoxicated, okay? So that's me expressing the concern. That's why I'm now here, okay? So I want to make sure that's not the case, all right? So I would like to do some standardized field sobriety exercises with you, okay?
Sure.
So let's go ahead and hop out. Come back over here.
No.
We'll go, you see that open area right there? We'll go over there so there's no traffic.
Watch your step.
Yeah, watch coming down. We'll go right over here. Okay, so once again, I expressed the concern that you're under the influence. You were in actual physical control of the vehicle as observed by this officer over here.
I understand exactly what's happening right here.
Yeah, you going to jail.
I'd like to do some standardized field sobriety exercises, all right?
I understand exactly what's happening here.
Okay.
I get everything what's happening over here.
Okay, so do you have any medical condition with your eyes not corrected by glasses?
Yes, I do have a problem with my eyes.
What is it?
I don't see correctly.
Okay, so that would be corrected by glasses.
Correctly, yes.
Okay, any other issue with your eyes besides that?
I don't see. I don't see.
Do you wear contact lenses?
No, but I don't see correctly. So, I mean, you're asking me correctly. I'm asking you honestly. I don't see.
Well, I'm saying besides for having to wear contact lenses or glasses, because that's correctable.
Yeah, but I don't see correctly close up.
Okay, all right. Do you have any medical condition which prevent you from walking a straight line?
Oh, look at the baby. Who doesn't love the baby? Look at nice family, man. They going about their business. They not saying a word. They keep it moving.
No. Do you have any medical condition which prevent you from balancing on one foot?
I don't think so.
All right, perfect. So if you would just go and stand right here in front of me. Right here. Right where I'm pointing.
Why am I saying that? Is that the
No, we're not. We're ignoring that line. That line doesn't exist. We're not doing anything with that line. Just go ahead and stand right here in front of me.
Why?
Because I got to check your eyes out.
Here.
We're not using.
No. I'm sorry. The land is over here.
Wait a minute. Time out. Are you conducting these exercises or am I conducting?
No, I am telling you.
You're participating. I'm conducting.
The land is over here. Okay.
Okay, but we're not worried about this line. Actually, Miss Eva, come over here.
No.
Be a grown up.
No. Why would I
be a grown up? Come here.
Sorry.
Come over here. Listen to simple instructions, okay? You're going to stand right in front of me with your feet together and your hands at your sides. Just like this. Hands at your sides. At your sides.
Not behind you.
At your sides. Like this.
I have my hands on my sides.
No, they're
what are you?
your back.
I know exactly what you're looking for. And I have a lot of people in the government.
That's very interesting. Anyway, go ahead and place your hands at your sides for me, please.
I have my hands on my sides.
No, they're behind your back. You're slurring your words an awful lot. All right.
I have a lot of people in the government, so I know exactly what you're doing.
That's cool. You see this red light? I want you to follow this red light. Put your hands down. I want you to follow this red light with your eyes only, okay? Do not move your head. You understand me?
Yeah.
Don't move your head. Don't move your head. Don't move your head. Don't move your head. You're moving your head. Please don't move your head. All right. Do you understand when I say don't move your head? Do you know what that means?
I understand what you're talking to me, but I have a lot of people in the government as well, okay? So we need to talk.
No, we don't.
No,
All
we
right.
need to
So
talk.
you see this red light?
Yeah.
Follow with your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay?
We need to talk.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Don't grab my partner.
Put your hands on him.
Okay.
We'll give her one more chance.
I'll give you one more
Give her one more
Okay.
chance.
Don't grab my partner.
Right now,
Put your hands on him.
I need to.
Hands down. Wait.
All right.
Here. Stop position. Here. Stop position. Got it.
I like that officer with the hat.
10-15 signal.
Good work.
I pinched my finger. Good. I'll got cuffs.
Ava was originally arrested for DUI, resisting arrest and felony battery on a law enforcement officer. She pled not guilty on all the charges. However, the prosecutor failed to officially file formal charges at her January 2nd hearing, resulting in the battery charge being dropped. She did not get off entirely, though. The state downfiled the DUI and resisting charges and transferred them to a new, separate misdemeanor case.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide.